Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change the mouse pointer right here. You see how small it is on the screen. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so remember, it's like different from that of Windows 10. So this is Windows 11. You're going to come right down here to the search bar. You're going to click. Now when I click, this is what come up. Alright, so if you notice right up here, we're going to type in here the mouse, word mouse, here. Very important. Good. So notice right here, so mouse settings, you notice, and all of that. So you're gonna click. So when you click, this is what gonna actually come up on your computer. It might be slightly different from that of the next one. Alright, you notice there's your primary right here. You notice the mouse speed right here. You can increase the speed right here. Roll time right here, if you notice. You have line and screw right here. The screw up, this is what is a mouse pointer size. In Windows 10, you'll see slight difference. You come all the way right here. You click, you look up pointer, notice this is what it show you right up here. If you notice right here, show your size, you notice this particular line, you're gonna click on it. You know, when I click on it, side of the mouse, they get a little bigger. Alright, so if you notice, you come right here and click, you get the color on it. Come right there, you know, so the color change, you come right there again, and then the color will change as you progress right there. So this is how you actually increase your mouse right here on your computer. So remember, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.